Friends, the universe is everything. Time, space, and matter are all contained within it. Our Earth is just a spinning drop of rock in this vast universe, orbiting one of the 200 billion stars in our Milky Way galaxy. This enormous structure of galaxies stretches 90 billion light-years across, and within that sea of galaxies, our Earth is but a single drop. This is our home, full of comforts, a cozy planet. Once again, set aside your daily chores and look at the sky. What do you see? A vast, dark expanse sprinkled with countless twinkling stars. How beautiful they look. At night, the stars we can see are just ones on a tiny page of the Milky Way. We live here in our galaxy, and at night, we only see the stars in this small patch. How massive our galaxy truly is. But in terms of evidence, does our galaxy even exist? Hello friends, welcome to this episode. In it, we will journey to the very edge of demand, so fasten your seatbelts, because our journey will be thrilling and filled with danger. So, from the surface of Earth we take flight and head toward the edge of the universe. As we rise from Earth's surface, it begins to look like a blue sphere. Here is the International Space Station, the largest human-made structure in space, circling Earth at about 27,588 kilometers per hour, approximately 400 kilometers above the surface. In 24 hours it completes nearly 16 orbits around Earth. As we fly higher from the ISS, we begin to see other human-made objects, satellites. Thousands of satellites are circling the Earth in space. Let's go higher. Look at the breathtaking view of our planet. We've reached near the moon. We've already sent press notes before us. Neil Armstrong was the first person to step on its surface, and his footprints remain visible centuries later because there's no atmosphere there. We're about 400,000 kilometers from home. The moon appears as a blue marble in space. Its surface looks like a battlefield scarred by years of comets and asteroids. No atmosphere exists to burn these off, but thankfully, Earth's atmosphere protects us. Let's take a giant leap further into space. Here is the brightest planet in our solar system, Venus, called Earth's little sister because it's a rocky planet with gravity similar to Earth's. Yet this planet is like hell. It rains not acid water but sulfuric acid droplets in its atmosphere. It's the only planet with the strongest greenhouse effect in our solar system. Heat enters but cannot escape, trapped by the atmosphere, making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system at 465 degrees Celsius. Its surface hosts many volcanoes that make it even more dangerous. On this angry planet, nothing could survive. Continuing our journey, this is Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun. Its surface looks moon-like with deep craters. Its day-night temperature swings wildly, plummeting to 170 degrees Celsius at night, soaring above 400 degrees Celsius during the day. Now we move on. Here is our Sun, our God, whose energy supports life on Earth. Without it, we would not exist. Situated about 150 million kilometers away, this star is so massive that it could contain millions of Earths inside it. Its gravity governs the entire solar system, and its solar flares extend thousands of kilometers beyond its surface. Continuing our journey, this is our nearest planet, Mars. Its surface is red, hence the Red Planet nickname. Scientists are eager to learn about Mars, speculating that life once thrived there. In the past, Mars had oceans and rivers and an atmosphere. Today it's a desolate, frozen wasteland. Scientists are searching for microscopic life, bacteria. They're considering future settlements too. The Olympus Mons volcano on Mars is nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest, making it the tallest mountain in the solar system. From Mars we can even see Earth as a small dot. Next comes the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, filled with giant rocks circling the Sun. If these clump together, they could form a planet. These asteroids are remnants from when the solar system was forming 4.5 billion years ago. Why didn't they form a planet? Jupiter's massive gravity prevented it. Here is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system with dozens of moons. It's so huge that all other planets combined would still be smaller. The famous Great Red Spot on Jupiter is a centuries-old storm so large that Earth could fit inside it. Jupiter is a gas giant, no solid surface, so you'd sink past what we think of as surface. But its moons are ideal for life, especially Europa, which is covered in thick ice. Scientists believe liquid water exists beneath that ice, making Europa a strong candidate for life in our solar system. Our next stop, Saturn, the most beautiful planet in our solar system. Its rings dazzling. One of Saturn's moons is Titan, which has its own atmosphere, winds, rain, and even seasons. There are rivers and seas, though made of liquid natural gas, not water. If we could bring that gas to Earth, it could power cities for thousands of years. Scientists believe that when the sun becomes a red giant, Titan will enter the habitable zone and might become Earth-like. Therefore, Titan is viewed as a future haven. Now we're so far from home that Earth looks like a tiny dot. As we venture deeper into space, Earth slips from view. Next is Uranus, which wasn't known until telescopes were invented. Then Neptune, still part of our ever-expanding solar system. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, 20 times wider than the asteroid belt, where dwarf planets like Pluto reside. Even larger objects with gravity and moons exist there too. Past the Kuiper Belt, hundreds of billions of kilometers away from Earth, lies a distant object, a dwarf planet discovered in 2003. It takes 10,000 years to orbit the Sun. Now we leave the solar system and enter interstellar space. Out here, a spacecraft from Germany is the farthest human-made object in existence, now 19.56 billion kilometers from Earth, lifting the veil on many cosmic mysteries. It travels faster than bullets from guns. We've traveled far enough that our sun looks like an average star. Yet even here its gravity still binds billions of bodies and water-rich objects. If gathered, they dwarf Earth's oceans. Scientists believe most water on Earth came from comets in this region. Those small, icy rocks may harbor life in the form of bacteria. A giant cloud of these objects surrounds our solar system, the Oort cloud, marking the outer edge of the sun's gravity. Beyond it, solar influence fades, and light from our sun becomes too weak to reach us. From here onward lies unknown mysterious space, so dark we need infrared vision. We're wildly far from Earth, but in the cosmic scale this is just a tiny step. Surrounding us are billions of stars. We head next for our nearest star system, Alpha Centauri. Its light takes 4.3 years to reach us. This trinary system includes Alpha Centauri A, B, and Proxima Centauri, which hosts an Earth-like exoplanet in the habitable zone, possibly life-bearing. Now we are 10 light-years from Earth and see a baby star igniting. Planets are forming here. Perhaps this system will one day host a world like ours, but it will take time. At 20 light-years away, we pass a star born around the same time as our Sun. Its name is Kepler. It has an Earth-twin exoplanet in its habitable zone, where alien civilization could exist. Though our Milky Way has billions of stars, we'll never visit them all. Venturing beyond, we exit the Milky Way galaxy. Our Milky Way is so vast that light takes 105,000 years to travel from one end to the other. But compared to gigantic galaxies, ours is tiny. In the universe there are galaxies far larger, so we progress into intergalactic space. We see distant galaxies, Arjuna and others in our local group, which includes the Milky Way and its neighbors. This local group spans 10 million light-years. Beyond it, many galaxy groups form a supercluster, the Virgo supercluster. Our local group is just a small patch. The Virgo supercluster spans 110 million light-years. Going further, we see many superclusters grouped into the Laniakea supercluster, 520 million light-years across. Continuing, Laniakea appears as a smaller patch from afar. I'm dizzy, but our journey continues. We reach the observable universe, the known cosmos. Even beyond it, we have no light, no knowledge. Some scientists speculate countless other universes, our universe just one droplet in a vast sea, but we have no proof. The observable universe isn't the end. Boundless mysteries lie beyond, maybe other multiverses. Friends, how was this journey to the edge of hearing? Tell me in the comment box. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos, and hit the bell icon.